Hey everyone, welcome back to getassist.net, and I'm back again with a brand new video where I will show you how to add alt tags to images on WordPress. Alt tags, which is also known as alt attribute or alt description, is an HTML attribute that is applied to images as a text alternative for search engines. Before I show you how to add alt tags to images on WordPress, let us know why is it important to use alt tags. Search engines cannot understand images, but still images play a crucial role in how people understand a particular web page. That is why to describe an image or what the image is representing, alt tags are used. The text that is provided along with an image is read by the search engines. When Googlebot or other search engine crawlers inspect a web page, images with alt tags contribute to how pages are indexed and where it ranks. The other benefit of using alt tags is for those users who surf the web with images turned off or those users who use text-only browsers. Now you know the importance of using alt tags. Let's move on to how to add them on WordPress. Alright, so now I will show you how you can add alt tags to images on WordPress. So here I am inside one of my website on WordPress, and that's the dashboard. Now here I have already opened one of my posts for editing where you can see some of the images. So here are the images for which I can add alt tag. Now to add alt tag, what you need to do is you simply have to click on the image, and then on the right under image settings you will see this box that says alt text. Here is the box alt text, alternative text, and this says that describe the purpose of the image, leave it empty if the image is purely decorative. So you have to just describe the image here in this box, and you can leave this box empty if the image is only for the decoration purpose. There is no meaning of it. All right, now to add the alt tag, what you need to do is you just have to write a single line for this image right here. So this image is highlighting, as you can see, the learn more option, and the step says to proceed tap learn more. So similarly in the alt text blank you can just write click on learn more. So this sentence clearly describes the image, and that's how you can add alt text for all the images of your post. All right, that's all you need to do. And once you're done updating all the alt tags for all the images that are there in the post, you simply have to click on update given at the top right. So yeah, post has been updated, and that's how you need to add alt tags for all the posts that you have on your website. That was all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't leave without subscribing. If you have any queries or suggestions for my next video, you can put that down in the comment section down below, and I will see you in my next video.